In this video, we're going to talk about the cons and the pros when you start a t-shirt business from home using heat press vinyl or HTV vinyl. And we're going to talk about all of that. So make sure you watch the video until the end and give us a like if you like it and subscribe if you are new to this channel. So let's begin with the cons. When you use HTV on t-shirts, it is not recommended to use too many layers on top of each layer because it might come off, plus your profit margin reduces unless people are willing to pay good money for each product. But the truth is, most won't, especially if it's a one-time use for an event, because projects with too many colors are more suitable for DTG or DTF machines or even sublimation. But most people use transfer paper that is cheap but won't last too many washes. Another reason why not to use many colors with HTV is that it is too expensive, especially if you have to do a big order. There are many brands and types, but if you use Scissor Easy Weed, we are talking about $2 to $3 a square foot, and that is before tax and shipping. And that is also when you buy the 10-yard roll, which is what we buy in order to have different colors available. And this is why we focus on commercial use only and not personal, because they usually require a lot of colors, and also order a few shirts only. HTV takes too long to weed out, so we advise you to always think of that when making your designs, so that way it is not so hard on you. For example, try to use clear fonts and bold, because if they are too thin, it will be hard on you when you are weeding out. Never make difficult images. Always stay with simple and solid images. Also try to add your weeding boxes, so that way it makes it easier for you when you are weeding out. Also try to require only 1 or 2 colors max, so that way it is not so hard on you when you are weeding out vinyl. But now let's go with the pros. HTV is not as messy as screen printing or sublimation are, because you don't need a garage and can be done at home. You can even do it at your wife's coffee table without using a coaster. Just kidding, don't do that. Many love HTV for the same reason. They can work from home and easy to get rid of the extras. However, just keep in mind that you will need a heat press big enough. So try to get one that's at least 15 inch by 15 inch. There are many styles of HTV, like for example, scissor glitter, which can catch the eye of many, and you can make good money at the right market. There is also metallic HTV that is heat pressed at the same temperature and can also make a shirt look unique. And for what I understand, there is also HTV that glows in the dark. But no matter what it is, just keep in mind, try to keep your designs simple and 1 color or 2 max. HTV can be used on other products like caps, which we sell a lot in big quantities in our business. Plus, it is more affordable than embroidery for them. But of course, it lasts a little less. But most people love it because they say HTV, it is more defined and readable than embroidery. But of course, you're gonna need a cap press and other tools in order for you to make this product. So make sure you watch tutorials in our channel. So the final conclusion is, you always try to require no more than 2 colors for HTV, and always never keep an inventory of shirts because you will never have the right color or the right size. And also require a minimum of 12 pieces if you are gonna do commercial. Thank you so much, and hopefully you guys liked this video, and if you did, give us a like and subscribe. We will see you guys again pretty soon. Thank you.